ever wondered how young authors can make money from their books? Today we're continuing our episode with Arwa and she's sharing tips for young writers, how you can find your unique writing style and how AI can help but with a twist. And fiction or non-fiction? Well, her answer might surprise you, so stick around to find out. So you wrote a book, you did the hard work, but they get 90% of that.
Money laundering.
And they decide कि कितने में sell होगा.
And if the thing is, if it's beyond 80 pages, the book, then obviously there's going to be extra charges for that also.
But then are you satisfied with the income you get? No? Can I get an estimate of how much you do get?
At the start, like until you sell like 10 books or so, the royalty you get is only 20 rupees.
Oh.
And then it increases to 35, then 50.
But it's free to publish there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then now what's your state?
What's my state as?
What's the state of your income right now? Is it better than 20 rupees? All right, but I think because we've talked about it and I'm obviously going to tell it to my friends.
Hopefully it'll get better.
Yeah. And do you... No, that's a very stupid question. Never mind.
Ask.
No, it's okay. Okay, fine. Do you ever get tired of people asking you if you've written a book? Because like it's the same thing you're telling people about.
Not really. I just generally love talking about stuff that I've written because it's like I want to share my views with the world. That's the entire reason that I've written the books, because I want to take any topic and I want to tell people how I feel about it.
So, is there any tip or advice you have for teens who want to start writing a book?
First, find your style. Find what kind of books you want to write, what kind of books you love, and what kind of target audience you have. And then obviously find a good publisher, find a platform where you can write freely, and AI tools are always at your command. Always, it's pretty easy now because of AI, but then there's the entire don't steal, because AI is it's just taking stuff that it's read on the internet and that's what it's giving you. You still need to find your own original ideas.
I agree. So, all right. So we have a tradition in this podcast where every guest writes a question for the next guest. And I have a question for you. So it's from Nandita ma'am, and she's asking, what excites you more, fiction or non-fiction?
Well, non-fiction is basically been there, done that. If I wanted to read non-fiction, I would open my history textbook. Fiction is you can write a story about anything. It has zero limits. It's like I could write about anything under the sun. That's fiction.
Yeah.
If I want
beyond the sun as well.
Yeah. So fiction it's another thing entirely. If I wanted, I could write about some character who's part fish, part bird.
Anything and fiction appeals to almost everyone.
Anything can be fiction.
Yeah. So it's your turn to write a question for the next guest. Thank you so much for joining us on Between the Pages. I had a really great time talking to you.
It was my pleasure.
Thank you. I hope you guys liked today's discussion. Until next time, it's me, Aina, closing the BTP book for this week. Happy reading!